How to change store name on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change your name on Shopify. So let's get started. You will simply open up your Shopify admin and you'll get right here. Now when it comes to changing a name on Shopify, we have two names. So let me show you. We have a store name and then we have a username and owner name. So if you want to change your store name, you will simply go to your settings, go to store details, and it will show you your basic information. Click on edit, and here you can edit your store name. We can also change the name for our, legal company or store industry. So you will customize your name here, type whatever you want, click on save and close, and your store name will be changed on Shopify. Now, if you want to change your name an owner name, then you will have to go to user and permission and it will show you your store owner. This is my name right here. Let's say that I want to change it. So you will click on transfer ownership and keep in mind that now you will be actually transferring your store to someone else. You will enter their email address right here. Then you have to enter their first name, last name, and enter a password. You can of course enter your email or name as well, but it should be different than the one you already have. Enter the information and click on transfer store ownership and you will be able to change the username, the owner name right here. Or you can just change your store name from basic information. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.